Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journey family. Just click on that subscribe button below as well as the notification bell below that so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I'm doing a Thrive Market haul. Show you guys what I picked up from Thrive Market. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stick around and stay tuned. Let me flip the camera around so we can give you guys a look at what I got. Okay guys, I've already opened the box, the packet of paper. So, let me adjust it. So let's see what we got. I got some sea salt late July tortilla chips, the thin and crispy. I love this brand of chips and tortilla chips. I got some cacao powder. I like cacao powder to make chocolate cookies, as well as sometimes I make chocolate milk with cashew milk or almond milk. I used to get almond milk. So I picked up that. I also picked up some polenta. This is like, oh, my mind's going blank, y'all. Polenta is grits, pretty much. I don't eat them, but people that come visit always want them, and I'm like, oh, I don't have them, I don't eat them. So I decided to pick up some, and I may try them a different way because I haven't tried them since college and I didn't like them. So I may try them again to see if I like them, like make some with some, I don't know, some seafood to see if I like it. So this camera look way overexposed, but it's Bob Red meals. I also got some raw Brazil nuts. I actually just bought some. I forgot I had ordered them. I got them from Costco, because Costco now sells them, but they are very good for you health benefit wise. So I got those, and these will be gone in no time. I also picked up some garbanzo beans. I have, let's see if I can fix this. The lighting looks so overexposed. That's a little bit better. But anyway, I got some garbanzo beans. I got 4 packs of these. Instead of getting them in the can, I don't eat a lot of canned foods per se, and I buy the dried ones. But when I don't have the time to cook the dried ones, I like to have the convenience of having them in a pack. So I did pick up a few of these staples to go into my pantry, as well as some butter beans. I do like them when they're in the box, and I like to mix these like when I'm cooking oxtails or something. I like to put the butter beans in them, and I do like these by themselves as well, but I prefer in the box and in the can. I just don't like canned foods too much. And these are organic. It's hard to find organic stuff. I know they do sell these boxes at Sprouts, and I think they sell this brand as well at Trader Joe's or Whole Foods, one of them. So I pick these up sometime as well for staples, especially for the winter time, to have in my pantry. That's it for that side. And I picked up some organic chicken broth with no salt added. I like to buy the no salt brand so that I can control the amount of salt that's in my food, because we don't need to eat a lot of sodium, and these are organic. I know around the holiday time they put these on sale, and you can get a bunch of them. They usually buy one get one free, or 2 for the price of one, or what have you. So I pick up a lot then too and store them, because they have pretty long shelf life, and I really like the organic and the no salt added ones. And I buy the one in a jar that you scoop out, that you mix with water, but it is so freaking salty. I bought a bunch of snacks with this too. So I bought these organic cauliflower bites. Never tried them. So I just bought them as a snack to try to see what they taste like. Hopefully I like them. Trying to get a little bit more healthier with the things I eat. I bought these thin brown rice, lightly salted, thin stackers. I like these. I like to put peanut butter and blueberries and cinnamon on top of them. I buy the round ones as well, but they had these on sale, so I bought these. And then these are a little bit less calories because they're thin, and then a little bit less carbs as well because they're smaller. And I eat 1 or 2 of these as a snack. These are my freaking favorite. The rosemary and sea salt crackers by Simple Meals. If you guys have yet to try these, you guys need to try them. This particular flavor, rosemary and sea salt, is so good. I dip it in hummus. I also dip it, like if I make tuna, I use I don't put it on bread a lot. I use pretzels or crackers sometimes to dip it up with. So one of my faves. I also got some stinging nettle leaf tea. I got the loose, but sometimes, like if I travel or something, I want to take it with me, and I don't want to take the loose with me, so I wanted to get this. I use this for my asthma, coughing, especially this time of year when the weather is changing and we're getting a lot of rain. I have a lot of problems with my asthma, and I've tried the nettle and mullein tea mixture together when I use it loose. And I think, let's see if it says it mix or if it's just by itself. Oh no, it's just the nettle leaf, but the nettle leaf is good for that, and the mullein brings up the congestion if you're congested. So they're both good to try. If you can get them together, do that. If you get them separate, nettle is good for help you with your asthma. And I bought a bunch of sauces or something. I can't remember what. So we'll look at these together. I'm always ordering something and don't remember what in the world I bought. And then they give you free stuff, and I never can remember. Oh, I got capers. And I looked at these, and I wanted them because they were so big. See how big these capers are? And the ones that I have been buying from the store, they are a little small and kind of smush. So I got these. Love capers. Love them on my salmon. And other seafood too. Like if I make a pasta dish. I don't eat a lot of pasta anymore, being diabetic. And I do buy some pasta that's not made out of flour when I want to eat pasta. The one made out of chickpeas, the bonzo. I like them. So that's what I use this for. I think I bought some vegan Worcestershire sauce. I'm not plant-based really anymore, but I'm about to go back to being plant-based after I eat all the meat that I have in my deep freezer, or just do it on certain days. Just try to limit the amount of beef or meat that I'm eating. So this is the organic Worcestershire sauce that is, I think that's the one that's vegan. I believe. It's organic. It doesn't say vegan. So I bought this. I do have the regular one as well, but I think this one was, I thought I ordered it because I thought it was vegan, but it doesn't say that it's vegan. So I'm not for sure 100% if it is, but we'll use it anyway. I'm not big on, titles and, throwing out food. Food costs too much money these days. I think I bought 2 of these. Yep. So this is the other one. And they package stuff good in these things. And then all of this stuff, except for this plastic, is recyclable. So I can put it in my recycle bin. So let's move the recyclables over here. And the plastic, we'll put, just drop it back there and get it up after I finish the video. And let's see what this one is. Oh, yeah, I bought some organic barbecue sauce. This is mango, jalapeno. I've been wanting to try this. What's her name? I can't remember her name. I watch her video. She's always getting Thrive and getting these Primal Kitchen ones, and they're vegan. They're also keto friendly. They must have a little bit of sugar in them. This one doesn't say that it's vegan either. It just says organic, certified paleo, Whole30 approved, non-GMO. So I'm not for sure if it's vegan. Contains tree nuts. Let's see what's in here. Coconut aminos, syrup, Himalayan sea salt, mustard, vegan, paprika, tapioca starch, natural smoke flavor, black pepper, chipotle powder, ancho, chili powder, onion powder, dry garlic powder, jalapeno. Okay, so it doesn't say that anything on here is not vegan. So it just doesn't say that it's vegan on here. But we'll see. I'll try it. I hope it's good. She raves about this barbecue sauce. So, trying that. I think I actually bought 2 of those as well. What is her name? What's her channel name? I forget. I'm just horrible with names. You know, my memory does not work like it used to. Got 2 cans of organic tomato paste. Tomatoes is generally the only thing that I buy in cans. Tomato and tomato paste and beans. So I got that because I like to make homemade pasta sauces and stuff. And I got a lot of tomatoes from my garden, but I haven't canned them yet. So I bought these. Until I do that, I put them all in the freezer. And I bought me a canner, so I'm going to start canning. I'm going to try. Oh, this is a big old thing or something. Oh. I forgot I ordered this too. One of my friends keeps telling me, because I went from pre-diabetic to diabetic on medication, but she told me to try drinking aloe juice just a little bit every day. It helps bringing your sugar down. I know that they say cinnamon does that, apple cider vinegar. I bought moringa powder. I was drinking that mixed with apple cider vinegar. Actually, that was working, but I fell off the wagon with doing that. So I need to get back into natural remedies of doing these types of things to help with my diabetes, so that I can get off the medication and manage it with food and exercise, as opposed to being on that harsh medication that has so many different side effects as well. Of course, I'm going to take it to keep, my mind regulated until I can get off of that. But I do want to not have to be dependent upon that and do things naturally how it's meant to be done and regulated that way by your weight and your diet. So I think that's it for everything. It's not a huge haul. This is only my second Thrive, my Thrive order. So that is it. Let me turn you guys around. Okay, guys. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the Thrive haul. I'll leave a link in the description box below. If you're new to Thrive, I think it's $10 off, something like that, and you get a free gift or something. Anyway, I'll leave it in the description below, so you'll see it below. If you want to try it, go out there and take a look. They have some really nice things. They have a membership for, I think, $19 a year or something like that to get the discounted items, and they donate box to a needy person when you order things, so it's a good cause. So again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.